Q1 Skin Analyzer Interface Explanation Teaching Video Image Acquisition, Night Spectral Image Analysis. White light, detect problems visible, such as skin color, surface color spots, acne, wrinkles and pores. Positive polarized light, strengthen the reflection of skin surface, and can detect sebum and skin texture. Negative polarized light, through the cross-polarized lens group, the direct reflected light is weakened, and the skin surface sensitivity can be detected. UV light, at the wavelength of 365 nanometer, it can detect UV spots, acne pigmentation and porphyrin in the deep layer of the skin. Blue light, under the wavelength of 405 nanometer, it can detect the distribution of acne and bacteria in deep skin. Woods light, a special medical band light source, which can detect deep pigmented lesions, deep pigmentation, vitiligo, depigmentation, albinism, as well as fluorescent agents and heavy metal residues in the skin. Black and white image, it is a composite image that mainly shows the distribution and accumulation of melanin on the surface and deep layers of the entire face. Erythromin light, it is a composite light image, mainly used to detect the deep skin sensitivity and red blood filament. Thermal light, it is a compound light, mainly used to detect deep skin inflammation. Skin analysis, 9 dimensions testing and 19 indicators. Sebum, divided into T area and U area. The yellow area represents the quantitative area of sebum secretion. The darker the yellow color is, the more sebum is secreted, and the lighter the color is, the less sebum is secreted. The quantitative indicators are divided into 5 levels. Grade 1 green skin is in normal condition. Grade 2 blue represents skin state preference. Grade 3 yellow represents skin state pre-warning needs to be strengthened. Grade 4 orange represents symptomatic care for skin state deviation. And grade 5 red represents poor skin state, representing the need for disease course care. Except for sebum and skin color, other indicators are explained according to these 5 grades. Sebum 1 and 2 represent low sebum secretion. 3 represent normal sebum secretion, and 4 and 5 represent high sebum secretion. Each indicator has quantitative problem analysis, precautions, and recommendation of nursing plan, background input of products and nursing items, primary care, intermediate care, advanced care. QR code can be scanned with a mobile phone to view reports. Wrinkles, RGB white light is used to capture visible wrinkles with the naked eye. Quantified wrinkles include forehead wrinkles, eye lines, crow's feet, nasolabial folds, and mouth wrinkles. The severity of wrinkles can be distinguished by color, with green representing mild, yellow representing moderate, and red representing severe. In texture, the uneven texture area represents that the skin has fine lines, which is lack of water and collagen. Comparison, wrinkles and skin texture can be compared. Stains, visible color spot. The green identification area is quantitative area. UV spots, spots that are separated from the basal layer and not metabolized to the cuticle. The black spots are UV pigmentation. Pigment, pigmentation of black massive basement layer. Contrast, stain, UV stain, pigment contrast. Pore, the black circle is the quantitative expression of the pore bulkiness. Blackhead, the blue dot area in T area is the blackhead quantification area. Acne, visible areas of acne quantified by green, yellow, orange, and red markings, with green boxes indicating acne, acne scars, and partial rosacea. Yellow marker box, papules, inflammation. Orange marker box, pustular acne. Red marker box, cysts, nodular acne. UV acne, red fluorescent spots show sebum secretion, deep acne, and bacterial distribution. Skin color, a quantitative grade index obtained by quantitative analysis of 5 skin colors according to the characteristics of skin color in the state of natural light. Grade I green, transparent white, grade 2 blue, white, grade 3 yellow. Uneven skin color, grade 4 orange, dark yellow skin color, grade 5 red. Swarthy sensitivity, the surface layer is sensitive, and the local skin is reddish. Red pigment chart, deep sensitivity, can see acne scars, skin lesions, and red blood streaks. The sensitive area appears as dark red dots, networks, irregular blocks, or flakes. Features of red blood streaks, dots, lines, nets, and blocky acne scars. Features of skin lesions, punctate with clear boundaries. Deep sensitivity features, irregular block-like or patchy thermogram. Deep skin inflammation, marked by 4 different colors to indicate areas of varying levels of hemoglobin. with areas of hemoglobin accumulation representing inflammation. Green, mild inflammation. Yellow, moderate inflammation. Red, severe inflammation. Porphyrin. The white fluorescent spot quantifies the performance of porphyrin, which is the metabolite of bacteria in pores. Fluorescent agents and heavy metals can be seen under the WU's light. Fluorescent agent performance characteristics. Large area appears as white fluorescent reaction. Heavy metal performance characteristics, distinguished by bright colors, but very few people have it. No algorithm quantification has been done. You can talk about it by looking at the picture. Moisture. Detect the skin moisture content. The smaller the value is, the less the skin moisture content is. The higher the value, the higher the skin moisture content. Skin classification. Bauman's skin classification is adopted to accurately quantify the 4 dimensions of skin classification through professional skin theory algorithm: dry/oily, tolerance/sensitivity, pigmented/non-pigmented, wrinkled/tight. Key points of skin care, recommended care plan. Skin prediction. Extract the current white light map of the skin to simulate and predict the comparison between the state map of the aged skin and the state map after the product. Project care. Comprehensive report. Customers' basic information, comprehensive report indicators, comprehensive skin measurement results. Recommended nursing plan. Products and nursing items can be entered in the background. Primary care, intermediate care, advanced care. QR code can be scanned with a mobile phone to view reports. Comparative analysis, before and after nursing and after treatment. Optional time or quantitative images. Select indicators for comparison, and you can see the changes in the values before and after. At the same time, it can also be compared by drawing lines, triangles, rectangles, grids, and magnified positioning. After drawing, it can be deleted without positioning. Pattern images. Select the following Mode A and Mode B spectrograms for comparison. You can view the comparison of the same spectrum or different spectra at different time periods. In the toolbar of the pattern diagram. Cases can be added to view the treatment effect of the same spectral image or different spectral images. Customer files archive management. Customers with an archive can find their membership profile by telephone and name. There are customer files, new files, classification of recent files below. Select the customer to view the skin measurement record. You can directly enter comparative analysis or skin measurement interface for taking photos. Store management, case management, privacy settings, watermark settings, recycle bin, case management. Collect comparison pictures before and after care for acne, sensitivity, pigmentation, aging, and other conditions. Can independently edit images for convenient customer reference. The comparative case diagram can be obtained by scanning the QR code. Privacy settings. The PRIVAC settings function can protect customers' personal information and data security. Users can set according to their own needs. Watermark setting function can add personalized identifiers to images and prevent others from stealing them. Recycle bin and backup functions can effectively prevent data loss. When a user accidentally deletes a customer profile, it can be retrieved in the recycle bin with a validity period of 3 months. Account Center. Single item numerical reference. It is possible to modify the customer's single item detection indicator data for adjustment after taking photos. After adjustment, it needs to be saved for comparative analysis. Divided into 3 categories: severe indicators, wind direction indicators, and normal indicators. After data adjustment, the position of the indicators will change according to the adjustment situation. Single item pre-adjustment. It can modify the customer's single item detection indicator data for adjusting the previous set of data before taking photos, which can be used for and comparative analysis. Divided into 3 categories: severe indicators, wind direction indicators, and normal indicators. Hiding setting. Skin analysis indicators that do not need to be detected can be hidden. After hiding, it will not appear again during detection. You can open it when necessary. After selection, confirm to modify. Software upgrade. Click on the logo or blank space in the top left corner to enter the software version upgrade interface. Click to download and install the software. Log out of the account and close the app.